Imagine a smartphone that pushes the boundaries of technology and design, a marvel that's not just a phone, but a statement. Welcome to the realm of the VIVO X100 5G. This is not just another smartphone on the market, it's a game changer, a revolution. It dares to redefine what a smartphone can be, what it can do, and how it fits into our lives. Now let's dive deeper into what makes the VIVO X100 5G the revolution in smartphone technology. The VIVO X100 5G is more than just a smartphone, it's a glimpse into the future. Let's dive into the design details that make this device truly stand out. The VIVO X100 5G exudes sophistication and class, from its sleek silhouette to its high-quality build. The phone, crafted with precision, feels premium in your hand, its weight balanced perfectly to give that solid feel without being too heavy. The design aesthetics extend to the color options available. For those who prefer a classic, elegant look, the midnight black variant is a perfect choice. Its glossy back reflects light subtly, creating a dance of shadows and highlights that's simply captivating. On the other hand, the Aurora Blue variant is for the bold and adventurous, its color shifting and shimmering like the northern lights, a sight to behold. But perhaps the standout feature is the ceramic white variant. This isn't your ordinary white. It's a deep, rich white that seems to glow from within, giving the device a unique, opulent appeal. The ceramic finish adds to the premium feel, its smooth and cool touch against your skin reminding you of the phone's high-end status. The attention to detail doesn't stop at the back. The front is equally impressive with its edge-to-edge display, the screen curving gently to meet the frame, creating a seamless visual experience. The bezels are incredibly thin, almost invisible, making the large display feel even more expansive. The VIVO X100 5G also features an under-display fingerprint scanner, a neat little feature that adds to the phone's futuristic appeal. The scanner is fast, accurate, and blends seamlessly into the display, further enhancing the device's sleek design. In a world where smartphones often look strikingly similar, the VIVO X100 5G breaks the mold. It's not just a device, it's a statement piece, a testament to Vivo's commitment to pushing boundaries and setting new standards in smartphone design. The VIVO X100 5G is not just about looks, it's also about power. The VIVO X100 5G is a beast under the hood. This power-packed device is more than just a pretty face, it's a performance powerhouse, designed to keep up with your fast-paced lifestyle and demanding tasks. Let's begin with the beating heart of this device, its processor. The VIVO X100 5G is equipped with a top-of-the-line octa-core processor that effortlessly handles everything you throw at it. From running high-end games to juggling multiple apps simultaneously, this phone doesn't break a sweat. It's like having a supercomputer right in the palm of your hand. But what's a good processor without ample memory to back it up? The VIVO X100 5G doesn't disappoint in this regard either. With up to 12 gigabytes of RAM, this device ensures smooth sailing no matter how many tasks you're handling. Say goodbye to annoying lags and hello to seamless multitasking. And let's not forget the generous internal storage options available. You can choose between 128, 256, or a whopping 512 gigabytes of space. That's more than enough to store all your apps, games, photos, videos, and more without ever worrying about running out of space. Now let's talk about gaming. The VIVO X100 5G takes mobile gaming to the next level. Its powerful processor, coupled with the high RAM, ensures a lag-free, immersive gaming experience. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore one, this phone will meet and exceed your expectations. But it's not just about raw power. The VIVO X100 5G also excels in everyday tasks. Its snappy response times and smooth multitasking capabilities make it a joy to use for everything from sending emails and browsing the web to streaming videos and using social media apps. In short, the VIVO X100 5G is a performance beast that can handle anything and everything with ease. Whether you're a gamer, a multitasker, or just someone who demands the best from their phone, this device won't let you down. But the VIVO X100 5G doesn't stop at performance. It's a multimedia powerhouse. The VIVO X100 5G brings the cinema right into your hands. This statement is not just a catchy phrase, it's an absolute truth. The smartphone's high-resolution display is a marvel to behold. Imagine a 6.56-inch OLED panel that's as vibrant as a rainbow, yet as sharp as a surgeon's scalpel. The display boasts a resolution of 2440 by 1080 pixels, giving you an ultra-clear, ultra-vivid viewing experience. But what's a stunning visual experience without fantastic audio to match? The VIVO X100 5G doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with a super audio sound system that delivers high-resolution audio. This means you'll hear every beat, every note, and every whisper in your favorite songs and movies. The audio quality is simply breathtaking. It's like having a concert hall or a movie theater right in your pocket. But the magic of the VIVO X100 5G doesn't stop at the audio and visual experience. The smartphone also offers an immersive experience that's second to none. Thanks to its high refresh rate and low latency, every scroll, swipe, and tap feels smooth and responsive. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or browsing the web, the VIVO X100 5G ensures that every interaction is an absolute joy. Plus, the smartphone's powerful processor and ample RAM mean you'll never have to worry about lag or stuttering. You can multitask with ease, switch between apps in a flash, and enjoy a seamless multimedia experience, all day, every day. In a nutshell, the VIVO X100 5G is a multimedia powerhouse. It combines a high-resolution display with fantastic audio quality and a smooth, responsive user interface to deliver an immersive cinematic experience. It's the perfect device for anyone who loves to game, watch movies, listen to music, or simply enjoy the best that technology has to offer. And what's a great display without an equally great camera? The VIVO X100 5G doesn't just offer a stunning multimedia experience, it also lets you capture your own stunning visuals. But we'll dive into the details of its camera prowess in the next scene. Stay tuned. With the VIVO X100 5G, every moment is picture perfect. Let's talk about the camera, the eye of the phone. It's where the magic truly begins. The VIVO X100 5G is equipped with a state-of-the-art camera system that's designed to capture your world in stunning detail. Imagine having a camera that's not just a camera, but an extension of your perception. The VIVO X100 5G offers a triple camera setup featuring a massive 64-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens for those breathtaking landscapes, and a 5-megapixel macro lens to capture the smallest details. But it's not just about the numbers, it's about how these elements work together. The main sensor with its large aperture allows more light to enter, ensuring bright and vibrant photos even in low-light conditions. The ultra-wide lens, on the other hand, lets you capture more of the world in a single frame. And the macro lens? It brings out the beauty of the minute details that often go unnoticed. Now let's talk about the videos. The VIVO X100 5G records in 8K resolution. That's right, 8,000 lines of detail, bringing a cinematic quality to your everyday moments. The stabilization ensures smooth footage, while the high dynamic range brings out the nuances in light and shadow. The front camera is equally impressive. A 32-megapixel selfie shooter that ensures you're always in focus. It's not just about taking selfies, but about expressing yourself. The portrait mode with its beautifully blurred backgrounds makes sure you're always the star of the show. The VIVO X100 5G also offers a host of AI features. From scene recognition that automatically adjusts settings for the best shot, to beauty mode that subtly enhances your features, the phone is designed to be your personal photographer. The VIVO X100 5G is not just a smartphone, it's a tool that lets you capture, share, and relive your memories in the most beautiful way possible. The VIVO X100 5G is an all-rounder, a smartphone that truly delivers. The VIVO X100 5G is a smartphone that offers a compelling package of design, power, and features. In the short span of this review, we've delved into the many facets of this remarkable device, each one as impressive as the next. From its sleek, modern design that embodies the essence of sophistication, to its robust performance that redefines the meaning of speed, the VIVO X100 5G is a testament to innovation. Its seamless blend of aesthetics and functionality sets a new benchmark in the world of smartphones. The multimedia experience it offers is nothing short of extraordinary. With a stunning display that brings images to life and superior audio quality that immerses you in a world of sound, the VIVO X100 5G ensures an entertainment experience that is truly unparalleled. And let's not forget about the camera. With its ability to capture the world in striking detail, it transforms every photo into a masterpiece, every video into a cinematic experience. In essence, the VIVO X100 5G is more than just a smartphone. It's a powerhouse of features, a marvel of design, a testament to innovation, and an ode to the future. The VIVO X100 5G is not just a phone, it's your companion into the future. So don't wait. Click on the link in the description box to grab your VIVO X100 today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more insightful reviews.